While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Right now, we're on Twitch, going through a bunch of things I missed. 17 spells, definitely one of them. I already checked out Maestro and a bunch of other 17 stuff. They be killing it. They be killing it for real. I said in one of my short form videos on Instagram or TikTok, go follow me there, that 17 must have god tier legs because the way they move their legs is like freaking god tier. They must have like, they must be squatting 300, no cap. I'm guessing that this is gonna be a more of a not lighthearted, but like more relaxed 17. I don't know. I haven't heard anything about spell, but just based on the name, it seems more like chill compared to Maestro. Anyways, go check out my reaction sometime in my YouTube channel. 17 spell. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Seems already chill. Seems already chill. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's how we move it? That's how we move in 17? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, where we at? Where are you taking me somewhere? Oh, I can't hit that, but you know, it was good. That's why I had to repeat it. Damn, they be working them hips this time. Woo! Oh, I'm liking the vibes here, y'all. Ooh! Oh yeah. Oh, hey. Ooh. Give it to you. Ooh! Hold up, what the hell? What the hell was that language? What was that language? What? What was that? Adiaki. Wait. If I say it, will I get casted? What is this? I don't want to say it. Does anybody know? Yeah, this is an Afro beat, actually. Sorry, I am live on Twitch if you guys haven't known, but if you see that on YouTube, what's up? Please join me on Twitch. It's a spell. So if I say this, what's going to happen? What spell you casting? It's hella Afro beats though, I feel it. Damn. We in a different area. Everything melted, huh? It's getting hot. Ooh. Are we water tribe right now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, this got my hips moving. They gonna make me fall in love with them, but I already am. Oh, you can't be moving them hips like that. The hell? That shit dangerous. Them hips don't lie. No Shakira. Yo, the dancers be killing it too, though. How do I say this? Will it let me like? Will 17 appear in my room? Will 17 appear? Hold up, we need to try this. Hold up, 1 second, chat. Adia kia akia su ropoe. Adia kia Adia kia akia surapoe. Adia kia akia sorupoe. I'm gonna wait till 3 a.m. tonight to see if it works. I'll let you guys know. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Did I even say it right? Your actions are the spell? What does that mean? Like... I don't know, but what are they saying got my hips moving. Ooh. Hey, hey. Just gonna... Hold up. We gotta... Hold up. Ooh. Oh, I like the credits for this. Oh my god. Hold up. It's working! I can't stop! Hey, you better stop. You better stop. I got a girlfriend. You better stop. I'm taken. My girlfriend will fight My girlfriend will fight all 13 of y'all. Go ahead, Jit. Beat their ass. Bad shit. Oh, Lord. I don't know. Hey, man, they got some buff motherfuckers in there. I just hear her scream. You got something to hold on me, bro. 17 really be that group. Bro, stop sleeping on them, bro. I know people are not sleeping on them, but like, if you are, wake the fuck up. Get up.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.